everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do another palette bingo. I am really enjoying making these videos because I like that I'm randomly picking colors and I have to make them all work together. So let me show you what we're working with this time around. I am going to be using this Tarte palette. It's Winter Wonder Glam. Go ahead and open it up. I got this one Christmas. This was one of their Christmas palettes, and it looks like it's messing up on the end. It's starting to show a little wear from opening and closing. I think I can glue that back. I've got some fabric glue. But here it is. Winter Wonder Glam. I don't know what year. I've had this a while. I know it's considered probably, you know, past its prime. Yeah, 12 months. I've had it longer than that. But it's still working good as of last time I played with it, which has been a little while. Let me show you these colors. That's why I'm doing makeup baskets. So I will use my makeup. Look, beautiful shades. Now there's 24 shades in here. And the only other palette I picked this time around is this Eleman, E-L-E-M-A-N palette. This, does it have a name? Ballerine. This was an Ipsy bag that I got, and I don't think I've used this. I've stuck my fingers in it, but I don't think I've actually used it. So we're going to pull one shade from this, and see the other has 24. No, we'll do 2 shades from this and 4 from the other palette, okay? So let me get this one set up. We're going to set this at 5, okay? 5 and 2, okay. That was like pulling teeth. Okay, 2 mattes. This one's number 2 and this one's number 5. Let me put those on my hand. There we go. Very pale, light shades. Alright, let me switch it up. This other pan has 24 eyeshadows in it. And we need 4. Number 9 is a gold, coppery gold shimmer. Okay, let's pick another one. 13. It's another coppery gold shimmer. Not much difference between those two. Let's see what else we get. It wants to give me a car commercial. Number 9. No, I just had number 9, so you can't give me number 9 again. My Pretty Random app is acting up. Number 4. It's another shimmer. It's a shimmery, a champagne shimmer. One more. Can you give me something else? 24. Black. It gave me black. That's a combo. And you know what? That's what it gave me. That's what we're going with. Let me grab a wipe just because I want it off my finger. I got black on me. Can't wipe it off my hand yet or I'll forget what my colors are. And I have the dropsies. Have the dropsies today. My grandma used to say that. I had the dropsies. Alright. Get things out of my way. Get some water. Hitting my mirror. I have Kroger seltzer water and blackberry citrus. That is today's flavor. Let's get started. I've cleaned my brushes. So I'm going to grab my big fluffy brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I am going to place that in my transition area. The only dark I have is black, so we're going to make it work. We're going to keep it a lighter, I guess a lighter look today with black. Alright. Okay. This next shade, this one, I'm going to take this flat brush. I'm going to work this in my crease. It's not really deep enough for my crease. Not what I would like, but I think we can make it work. There we go. I'm going to blend that out a little bit. Not bad. I'm going to go in with my little detail brush into that same brown and just use it under my lower lash line. Now I'm going to try to blend it all the way across. I want it all the way under my eye today. All the way. Okay. This little palette, these mattes perform great. So it's easy to get a shimmer to perform halfway decent. It is so much harder to get a matte. I like these mattes, and I'm actually going to be I like these mattes better than Odin's Eye, what I've tried of Odin's Eye. I like that matte better. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my detail brush into the black. And I'm going to use that for my outer V here. I'm going to carefully place it. I don't want it in my crease. I don't want to mess with that. I just want to get it. There we go. There we go. Now I have got a set of 3 shimmers. The lightest shimmer, I'm going to get that on, I think on my middle finger here. And I'm going to place it up here carefully, blending with my other clean finger. Get this up here. Yeah. I think I'm good with that. Now I've got 2 different coppery shades. I'm going to go with the more of a, this one right here is more of a pinky copper. I'm getting it on my index finger. And I'm going to place this right here next to the black. I kind of like that. And I'm letting it, it's not going to blend completely because we're blending a matte with a chunky shimmer here, because that one is chunky. Okay. And then I'm going to take that middle shimmer I had, which was this one right here. And I'm going into the inner portion of my lid. Okay. Like that. I hope I'm not blurring. I'm going to clean out my detail brush. I'm going to go back into that lightest shimmer. I'm going to put it right here and blend it down a little under my eye. Blend it all in there. Okay. I'm going to go back in with this brush and this it's the kind of a medium brown in the palette, but it's the darkest matte that I've chosen, and I'm going to focus a little more of that in here in my crease. Especially right here in the middle. I think that looks good. Kind of blend. Okay. I'm going to go off camera, put some liner and my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that is my look. I went ahead and I used in my lower waterline my Stila lip liner in nude, but in my outer corners liner on top and underneath I used my Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in Goddess. Let me put it on my hand. I don't know if you're able to tell. It is a navy blue. And it is a bit of a shimmer navy blue. There we go. I really love the Urban Decay liners. So yeah, that was Goddess. And I used that underneath, just in the corner. And on top, just in the corner. So, that's it. I like this look. It's shimmery, of course. It had three shimmers in it. Yeah, 3 mattes, 3 shimmers. But they're all neutral. So I like it. I like how it turned out. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.